Taking advantage of our industry experience, we will help you develop fast food products. We will develop menus, provide packaging resources, and machines to manufacture onigiri, sandwich, sushi, and more, starting from the popular fruit sandwich. We look forward for cooperation.
Make fashionable sushi for various parties. Enjoy making with various ingredients. Packaging film used for HANATEMAKI Sushi. Put the nori into the film. Put the ingredients on the sushi gohan. Mold it into a cone. Shaping. Tape the film in place. How to take the packaging. Remove the film from the finished HANATEMAKI sushi and eat it. Remove the film along the perforation. Put the sushi on top of the nori. Pull out the remaining film. Wrapped nori and voila! Let's eat now. If you found it helpful, please click subscribe. If you have any questions about how to make it, please email us.